So as you can see, my Samsung washing machine 14 kgs is showing 4C, which is error most of the times associated with the water supply. So we're gonna quickly check to see what's going on with the water. Yeah. Oh shit, I forget. Okay, that one is a hot water from the geyser. So we're gonna first switch off the machine. What the heck? It's not switching off. Okay. It just scared the shit out of me. So, as I was saying, it most of the time associated with water problem. As you can see,